Around 2020, the flannel has easily become a very popular piece, seeing as though it is a very easy piece to style. It was pretty much an introduction piece for most of us getting into street fashion, the fit picks around 2020, around that time. And for that very reason, is probably why you stepped away from the flannel, still wear the flannel today, seeing as though it's a very timeless piece, or you probably still wear it, but not as much. You still keep it in rotation, pull it out here and there. So with that being said, I've slightly got back into the flannel world with the piece I have for you guys today, but there's a specific reason, well, a few reasons why I picked this specific flannel up. So make sure you stay tuned, leave a like if you like the video, make sure you also leave a comment and subscribe. So let's get straight into this video. The official name of the piece I have for you guys today is the chain stitch camp collar flannel shirt by No Maintenance. If you've been watching my videos, you know No Maintenance has become easily one of my favorite brands. Now I do want to take a closer look into the name of this flannel. You might not be familiar with the camp collar or the chain stitch. Now the official description of a camp collar is a soft double notch one piece sewn directly on the body of the shirt to give the collar a flat look along the top side of the shirt. Now without diving too deep into the camp collar, just because it's the collar of the shirt, nobody wants to know about the small little collar of the shirt. Now the camp collar became very popular in the 19th century in Cuba and the Philippines. It wasn't until the 1950s. Cubans made their way over to the United States and they've worn religiously the camp collar. It was more so a summer shirt, a button down, but it wasn't until then until Americans really took on the camp collar and it became a solidified staple in the fashion world ever since then. Now I'll bring that up just to say that I think it's very cool how a company can incorporate some historic pieces of fashion into a flannel that has become very popular since the 2020 era. Now the chain stitch is a very subtle detail but yet so beautiful. It's above the left pocket along the flannel. As you can see it, you can't really see it from afar, but it's just a nice detail to add the logo, the brand name of the shirt. As far as the colors, as you can see, colors are very neutral as far as your tans, whites, but I think they did a great job of adding a little touch of blue just to make the color pop a little bit. I think that's a very nice touch just to add some flavor to your outfits if you want to put a little bit of color in there but nothing too crazy. So I think that's a very good feature of this shirt. Now getting to the specific details of the shirt, it comes with 2 pockets, box fit, wool blended, 90% polyester, 10% wool, and the materials used on this piece is very high quality. It feels very durable, so I feel like you can wear this pretty much every day of the week. I feel like you won't get a good wear and tear out of it unless you wear it religiously for about a year or so. I'm just saying that it could be less, could be more. But another portion of the piece that I do want to point out is which is a slightly tilted pattern of the plaid. I think that's a very subtle feature again, but it adds a little bit of character to the piece to not have the repetition of the plaid all the way through the shirt. Now I do want to pay attention to the proportion of this flannel. It's probably my most favorite feature of this flannel. So over the last few months, you see it in a lot of small brands. They added to their collection. I know Louis Vuitton has done a lot of crop pieces. Now if you've seen a lot of people in fit pics have a lot of crop pieces as well. So this does come with a crop fit, like I said, a box fit. Kind of the same thing along the same lines. I do think they did a great job of the way the proportions fit as far as how much they cropped it, how much of it is a box fit. So that's definitely one of my favorite parts of this piece for sure. Lastly, you can get this from No Maintenance, NoahEW.US. It is, in my opinion, become a very popular brand on Instagram. So if you just type in No Maintenance, it should pop up and you can find this flannel on their website. So if you do want it for yourself, you can get it. That'll pretty much do for this vid. I really do enjoy this flannel. I probably will be wearing it the majority of the summertime as long as it's not too hot. Definitely a great piece for the spring and the fall. So hope you enjoyed this video. Hope y'all enjoyed the piece. Let me know what you think down below in the comments about this piece, but that'll pretty much do for this video. I have more videos on the way, so stay tuned. School is almost over, so I will be putting out more videos, so stay tuned for that. But that'll pretty much do. I'm out.